Long ago, in a village of red earth and tall palm trees, lived Mbe, the clever tortoise. He was small and slow, but his tongue was faster than a talking drum. Everyone knew him as a three-star who could talk his way into anything and out of anything. In the same village lived a kind and wise young lady named Nneka. Her laughter was like music, and her heart was gentle. Many men tried to win her love, but she always said, "I will marry the one who can make me truly happy, not the one with sweet lies." When Mbe heard this, he rubbed his shiny shell and smiled sleepily. Sweet words? Happiness. I am the master of both. The next morning, he dressed in a bright wrapper and cap and went to her home. "Nneka," he said proudly, "if you marry me, your days will be filled with laughter and wisdom." She chuckled softly. "Tortoise, wisdom without truth brings sorrow. Prove that you can make me happy without deceit." So they set off together into the forest. There, Mbe saw a farmer's yam barn. His stomach rumbled. "Watch and learn," he whispered. Tricking a goat into kicking opened the door. Yams rolled out everywhere. "See, cleverness brings food and joy." But Nneka frowned. "You took what isn't yours, Mbe. How can stolen joy ever last?" That evening, the farmer found his yams gone. Nneka returned them and spoke the truth. The farmer forgave her, but not Mbe. "Cleverness without kindness," the farmer said, "is empty." That night, under the moonlight, Mbe sat alone, ashamed and silent. He finally learned that wisdom without honesty is foolishness, and that true happiness, like Nneka's heart, can only be won through truth. Moral: cleverness may open doors, but only truth keeps them open.